In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to allow user registration on your WordPress site. You can enable user registration in WordPress to allow users to add posts or comments or perform other actions on your website. To do this, in your dashboard, go to Settings, then click on General. Look for the Membership option. Simply enable this so anyone can register on your website. The default role when someone registers on your website is set to Subscriber. A subscriber is only allowed to comment on your website. If you want to allow users to have more access, then you can change the role from here. Then click on Save Settings. Now, we need to display somewhere on the website that users can register. So, to do that, go to Appearance, then click on Widgets. Simply drag and drop the Meta widget on your sidebar. You can give this widget a title here. Then click on Save. And you're done. Now, when I go to the website, you can see here on the sidebar that this is how the login will look like. Now, I'll just log out and show you how it will look from the user's perspective. And that's it. This is how you can allow user registration on your WordPress site. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.